Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. It's actually very simple. So the lab that we're doing is going to involve you gathering data and filling it into these data tables. So I have my data already figured out. So in this case, I'm looking at the effect of humidity on cricket chirps. So I went through and did my online simulation. I have all of these data points entered in. Now they'll probably look different to you, but so you'll have to go in and do your own research to see what you find out. What's really awesome about Google Sheets is I can make a quick graph to make sense of these points. So all I'm going to do is highlight all of this chart, and then I'm going to go over here to Insert Chart. Click on it, and fortunately it's already set up as a line graph, which is what makes the most sense for this data. There's some things that you can change, and you can change this if you want to make your data table like really close to what the size of your like table is, but if you want to have your graph next to it that way. But this way you have all of that me real quick. You have that information, and it's plotted exactly how it needs to. So, very easy. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Bye.